Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And today we are at Planet Hollywood Cancun, a beautiful resort, perfect for families, for pop culture fans. Do you love it?
I absolutely love it.
Right now we're going to take you on just a quick walk through the Junior Suite here at the Planet Hollywood Cancun. So come on in and take a look with us. I love the lights on the floor. That's cute. This is a big room. And the sofa pulls out into a bed.
Exactly, yeah. The balcony,
I like the director and actor chairs. Yes. Thank you for joining us on that quick walkthrough Planet Hollywood Cancun's Junior Suite. Have you enjoyed your time here?
Absolutely. It's amazing, to say the least. It's so big, and that you can just step right out of your hotel room, you know, grab a burger, maybe some pizza, and the people there are amazing. It's just absolutely amazing.
We had a wonderful time and a wonderful stay, and if you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next trip to Planet Hollywood, reach out to me. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. And if you like our room tour videos and our videos of our trips, then make sure you like
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
Make sure to hit that bell icon to stay notified when we post new videos.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.